crash on startup when you're trying to play City Skylines. And I know it's kind of annoying when you just want to play the game with your friends. So I know it's a very annoying problem, so I'm going to show you now a fix for this problem, and I hope it's going to work for you. So what you have to do basically is to make sure first of all you update your Windows. So if you head over here and you click on advanced options and then on optional updates and then on driver updates, you can basically, there's a bunch of updates you should have here when you go here, and make sure you update all of them. And also you can also go to device manager, and here you can also here go to display adapters and update from here, update driver, and then browse let me, and make sure you select your driver and you click next. And also if you have a NVIDIA GeForce, you can click on download. I'll leave in the description of this video these links. AMD, same, click on here and download, and this will detect if you have any available drivers. And you can also download and try to download this one. Click on here, download, to download Microsoft Visual C++, and also download DirectX and user runtime. Okay, so make sure you're doing that, and as well as click on properties and make sure you select compatibility and you run this program as administrator for stream. Okay, so I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it and really help a lot. My small YouTube channel will really help a lot to subscribe and a like, and also let me know in the comment section if this worked. Take care.